internet. Welcome to Game Theory. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be playing a game with friends in a call right now. Say hello, people. Okay, game! Yay! Yay!
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebill's presence, lived Chipper and his son, Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber.
Pretty good.
After the father tree was demolished by Tyke,
the
beavers lived in family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of the summer or coming of age, but throwing you out into out on your furry ear. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud. You can be proud to be from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm gonna be watching you from a safe distance. I'm a professional. You can come right back. You can come right after me if you work hard enough. I had a stroke. But remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. He truly was the best. Now get lost. It's your time to shine. You will start soon as the text box disappears. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can talk. We can stay in contact even if you are far away, as that would ever happen. But for real, you should explore our little company first before I let you off into a dangerous world. I'm counting on you, Beaver Boy. Promise me you'll make. Those will call him back to me. I got wood. I'll make lumber. Idiot. Okay, so collect enough items to build a random triple map. I forgot how grindy this game was. Oh, my least favorite part about this whole game. The grinding. Sure, let me do that. You gotta do that. Fucking good. So I think the designs are pretty good in this game. Oh, game lag. Ow. Remember now. Oh, yes, I can. Alright, let me crack a box. This will end the day. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed? Uh-huh, Papa, I do. Alright, let me open the cabin door for you. Since you're so hard working now, we can switch places. Take your toy to the room upstairs. I will take the attic. Good night, son. Later that night. Oh my god, the spooky section! It's gonna get scary! Holy shit, dude! This is going to get nice and scary. Oh, it's alright to run to the window. I forgot about that, yeah, very important. I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. I wanted this. I don't want to the front. Okay, cool. Oh, it doesn't allow me to. Cool. Okay, I guess I'll start the night now. Sleep assurance. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Oh. Oh. So no, I can't. Okay, cool. Nice and neat. Let's get my hope up game. I forgot about this. You have to get like a lot of. You have to get, I think it's 9 or 10 or 10 super assurance to even beat the night. I thought that was fucking cool. Okay, so no one's appearing. That's cool. Oh, hi. Already gone? Okay. Need some batteries. Yeah. That's one. We're still already here. That's not good. Oh, Syro, that's not good. Okay, he already left. It's pretty quick. Alright, good night, Zach. Still, are you still alive? Oh, damn. I can go to bed now. Let's go to bed. I did it! I did it! Yeah, whoopee. The bird catches the worm. Cool, man. Good morning, son. Are you ready for round 2? As I promised you yesterday, you can go exploring the island now. I've opened up the gates for you. Don't worry, I will let you off without a very important task, for sure. This is as important as teaching you how to walk on 2 legs, and that's pretty unusual for beavers. Your mother runs a coffee shop in the town nearby. I made a mix. to go. Real quick. Here's a pro tip. You can find hidden coins if you click on certain objects around you. Oh, and about the trees and plants. As many as you grow. Water isn't the only thing that makes them grow. No. Patience is key, son. That's all I wanted to say. Don't forget my mixed cappuccino. I think that's how you say it. I gotta go get my pop-ups and coffee. Oh hi, buddy. Hey, I'm gonna murder you brutally. One item. Oh my goodness. Hey little man, I'm gonna murder you brutally too. Brutally and brutally. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not just telling you because I the first boss fight. It's the first boss fight. I forgot about this. Oh, visitors. Power is glad to have Powler is glad to have visitors. Powder is very lonely. Alright, goodbye, Rock. See you tomorrow. Huh? A beaver? Oh no! Are you here to destroy my Powler's beautiful flowers? Don't lie to me. One no a plant killer when I see one. I wanted to avenge the trees you have chopped down before. This should be your end game. I forgot about the shit. Let's see, just hit him. I don't like that. Get away. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. There we go. Oh shit. Almost got me. Oh, save myself. Oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna get here. I'm gonna get here. Oh, I get it. Alright, I'm good. Oh shit, I'm gonna get it. No way. Oh, I did it. Alright, I'm good. Hey, man, hit the fuck, boy. It's like, slow bastard. Get the goddamn water. There you go. Bye-bye. Oh, there it is. Get the fucking broken with it. Oh, shit. Okay, my bad. Ow. Okay. Alright. That's not that good. Come, buddy. Oh, that was the bad way to go. Yeah, come over here. Ah, yeah, okay. That'd be embarrassing when I don't know the first boss of the game. No. God, y'all are cool. I didn't do it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Beat his ass, come on. Beat his ass, Tyke, come on. There you go. Oh, collapse. Hey, let's go. I'll plant some trees there. Hold on. Seaweed and red lumber. Ooh. The magic cave. We're going Thursday. Plant trees. Make good. Spider. Hello there, Mike. I've noticed your father's sweet little lumber company has been going nuts so well. Well, not to say our family isn't successful. There are loads of customers throwing themselves in left and right for my delicious coffee and treats. Say, I'm feeling extra nice today. Sales have been going so high. I'll have to make a deal for a free coffee to go. If you beat this minigame, I'll hand you a free coffee to go. Sound good? Give it a try. I forgot about the minigame. Snacks and drinks. Oh, this took me so long to beat originally. Your drinks. fuck? Alright. It's un pongo, what the hell? I did it! Wow. Did it first try. That was easy. Here you go. Thanks. Now let's go back to the guy. Ooh, like that number. That's cool. There, kill that guy. Ooh, robotic wire. Cool. Oh, that's gonna be useful. Water bottle. No, and feathers. Kill this little guy. Funny fungus. Sure is a funny fungus. Alright, we'll go to the other. Some of this coffee. Hello, father. Take your coffee, please. I ordered a macchiato, not a regular coffee. You really need to listen closely. How could I guess it sounds fine. It'll work. Well, I've never tried one of these. Let's see how it tastes. I would say it's alright. I expect more from you though. But let's not talk about this incident anymore. You have important work to do. Son, we actually have a customer. A strange bro who loves rocks. He wants you to build a rock farm. This is very important for our reputation. For real, if you fail this, I will ground you forever. I would help, but I'm way too busy complaining over simple things in life, like weird tasting coffee. Now go! Go and make a proud beaver. Alright, so how do I make that? Rock farm. Good rock, mini rock, flower pot. Cool. How do I get those shits? How do I get that though? Ew. Ew. I don't want that. I didn't want that either. Shit. I didn't want that either. Cool. Can I click on the butterfly and the coin? Oh, I forgot the item. Golden acorn. Oh, awesome. That's cool. That's awesome, man. Kill him. Come on, kill him. It's ass. Kill his ass. Funny fungus. Cool. I don't really need that though. More robotic wires. Cool. I don't need that though. Seaweed. Oh, I got one. Thank you, robot. Yeah, let's go into a Retrotopia. You have nothing I want. Cool. Where's that? An acorn. Let's go into Crazy Worse. Maybe they got something for me. Good rock. So you don't have enough. What the fuck? I need 60. Huh? How do I get 60? Oh, feathers. Sarah, number 1. That's not even know. Well, not as many game. I don't want to go over there. Item. Where's the item shop guy? Flower pot 20. Okay, so flower pot's 20 and good pot is 60. I can grind out for a flower pot though, can I?
Try to get it anyway. I can do that. It's easy. That's easy. I can do that.
Fruit bowl.
That's cool. I got that early.
Old son. Ship part. Maybe I need that later on. I don't know.
Father.
Give me some money, man. Give me some money. Give me some money.
Oh, keep on. It's 69. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Where's the flower pocket still? Thank you. Bye. Heck, you know, I need to go for just one more mini rock. Let's go to Seagull, I guess.
Let's go say hi to Seabill. There we go. Wait a minute.
Oh, hi, Seagull.
So nice to finally talk to you, Mike. Your father has always kept you safe in the cabin. I only met you once, back when you were a fetus. Maybe a little older than that. I'm sure you will meet nice people now that you can explore freely. Yeah, your father's always had an obsession with safety, thinking the world is dangerous and whatnot. But trust me, funny things happen to him too. Back when I was a young lad traveling the sea, I retired from that years ago. I own a company called Seabill Industries. Fuck, I keep dialogue. It's different from me. If you want to start your own company, don't do or make anything people are not asking for. You will get in trouble. A few years I decided to design special robots all by myself. They were intention on making my closest friends happy. I designed them to reflect their personality and look. But it's not the only. But it only got me in trouble. I'm not getting into details here. I don't want to set up a rant. Just a pro tip from an artist to a future artist. You seem like one who take a note of that. You seem more attentive than me, Tyke. I'm glad that I had the chance to meet you today. Hopefully we can work this out into a good friendship. If you don't mind, actually, I have a task for you. You beavers like working, right? My crab pals on the beach have taught a builder to decorate their home. They ask me, but are really busy all the time. This is an opportunity to show skills to your art. There might even be a bit of multitasking required. Can you help them? It would be really neat of you. Of course, finish your pie first. No one would ever like to work when they're hungry. There we go. Alright, mate, let's go up these crabs. Hi, buddy. How many you want? No, I'd put a cocktail bar here. I'm gonna cocktail bar you. Cocktail bar. Bamboo! I don't even think it's bamboo. Let's go buy bamboo then. Palm tree. I already got enough for you, buddy. Wow, that was quick. Jesus. Thank you for your help. Thank you. You know, we couldn't have made it without you if we still had our robot. Yeah, if we had that robot. Alright, you weren't there when it happened. But that's weird that no one told you about it. Yeah, that's weird. Lord! A few years back, the robot industry was booming. Almost everyone got a machine to perform tasks. Siebel actually found the time to create a few robots all by himself. He gave them to some of his closest friends in the friend zone, which we were a part of. Our robot was called Summer Crab. She was designed to find treasure, build houses, and act as a companion. It sometimes felt like she was alive, not like a robot at all. But we gotten complaints. Some told us that Summer Crab was sneaking into our houses and other inhabitants' places. Even Chipper cut us out one day. He thought Summer Crab was hostile. After Chipper disappeared, people assumed that she was responsible. We had to destroy her. We went to the highest cliff, said we need to find some ice for our cocktails. We gave her a push and that was it. The moral of the story is you can make cocktails even without the ice. True. Some people claim to have sighted during last spring. That's why she started calling her Spring Crab. Anyway, thanks for your help again. We will tell Siebel what great of a job you did. We got some lore, got some lore, got some more! Map Pat game theory! I felt like I should have acted very soon. Mike is going to ruin the whole thing for me. He will expose me. I can't let that happen. I have to get rid of him. That won't be too much of a problem. I've done similar things before, and I will continue to take care of those who find more than they need to know. I am a mastermind. I can't fail. I get what I want, or my name isn't. Ugh. Did I have a stroke? I actually forgot my name. But anyway, I'm gonna get you, Mike. I've always been ahead of you, you little brat. Uh-oh, big enemy. Hi, father. Hi, Tyke. Hey, kiddo. Siebel went by. He seemed very happy about you visiting him today. That you two already built a good connection, like a nephew and his uncle. And let me tell you, he's a rich uncle. He's ever tasked us. If he's ever tasked us with something, we should definitely put it for anything. Who knows how much money we can make if we have him as a regular customer. Changing the topic, will you make a brand new truck by 2.0? How does that sound? Get the items that you need, and see if you can find any, and see if you can buy them at the shop. This is the last thing to do today. I'm counting on you. Alright, just make another robot. It sounds pretty damn easy, father. There's this little gremlin right there. There you go. Learning them all. We did a great job on the second day. Alright, father. I'll come to bed. I'll come to bed, father. That was a funny day. Do you want to go to bed? Hell yeah. Alright, let me open the cabin door then. Tomorrow's another day. Where I hope nothing unexpected happens. Good night. Foreshadowing maybe? We don't know. Alright, I'll probably do this night in this video, and then I'll probably continue on in the next. Simple, got it. That's why I'm using extra batteries. Okay, I got it, yeah, I got it.
wonder who's gonna be at the window.
Wait, no. Go back.
What the hell?
Go.
Is that them walking around? They have walking sticks.
Oh, hi, God. Left.
Cool. Neat.
Oh, that was too. Oh my God. Okay, that was two. That was bad.
Only need one more.
God, Jesus. Summer crab. There's spring crab. Go. Yeah! I'm dead. Go! Let's go! Wake up! The early bird catches the worm. Good morning, and a beautiful day it is yet again. Seabow is our first customer. He wanted about two things: a broken ship and a wooden bird. He'll surely make something in return, so don't keep him waiting. It might be making money. Now go off to the world and Uh-oh, the police are here. That's not good. Good morning. Are you Tyke Shop? That's me. You're under arrest for the sleep disorder and theft. What? Why me? You're killer machines. I've been seen last night wandering around the city and breaking into houses. They were taking some precious jewelry with them. It can't be. I gave the plane to my sons right here. Maybe he sabotaged them. Since he's a minor, you would be still be responsible. Since when are we talking about age? We're animals. Gosh. You can't talk yourself out. You're chip chopping. Robots are dangerous to inhabitants and will no longer be permitted. What if I proved to you it wasn't me? I can do that. Give me a bit of time. Please don't make this difficult. Get in the police car now. What car? Move now, or I'll take out the taser. Mike, do something! Don't drag your son into this. What was that? You really put those machines? And you didn't see any problems in the plans? Huh. Fine, I'll give you till tomorrow to prove your innocence. If you can't do that, this company is gonna be shut down, and every robot you made is getting destroyed. Remember, tomorrow. That's one day, not a day longer. And that, son, is how you avoid the cops. But something isn't right. I really don't recall doing something illegal this time. We need to get to the bottom of this. You need to get to the bottom of this, because I'm old. But since I really need some money, go grant Seabow's wishes. Well, I will do that in the next episode of Tyke and Go. I hope you all enjoyed this pretty cool video. I'm probably going to be playing this game for a little while before I upload any other Friday Night Funkin' videos, because I actually like this game. But anyway, I hope you guys have a very nice day or night. See you in the next video. Goodbye!